Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Touch N Go e-wallet for Shopee so you can shop for your favorite items and pay with the most popular digital wallet in Malaysia in 2026. Let's get into it. First, open Shopee and find your product. The first step is entering the marketplace and identifying the specific item you want to purchase using your digital funds. Open the Shopee app or go to shopee.com.my on your browser. Use the search bar at the top to type in the name of the product you are looking for. Browse through the results, compare prices and seller ratings, and then click on the item that best fits your needs. In 2026, finding the right product is about more than just the lowest price. You want to look for preferred or Shopee Mall tags. This ensures that when you move your funds from Touch N Go, you are spending them with a verified merchant who offers buyer protection and genuine products. Next, add your item to the cart. Once you've found the perfect product, you need to secure it in your digital shopping bag before moving to the payment phase. Select your preferred variation, such as color or size, and click the Add to Cart button at the bottom of the screen. Click on the shopping cart icon in the top right corner to review your selection and ensure the quantity is correct. Adding to cart first is a professional shopping habit in 2026. It allows you to apply shop vouchers or free shipping codes before you ever reach the final total, giving you a clear picture of exactly how much you need to transfer from your Touch N Go e-wallet to cover the full cost. Next, proceed to the checkout page. Now that your cart is ready, you need to move into the secure checkout zone, where the actual transaction happens. Check the box next to the items you want to buy and click the Checkout button. Verify your shipping address and select your preferred shipping option to see the final order total, including all fees. The checkout page is the point of no return. In 2026, this is where Shopee calculates the final real-time price, including taxes and shipping. Knowing this final number is crucial so that when you perform your DUIT Now transfer from TNG, you move the precise amount required, leaving no wasted balance behind. Next, add your Touch N Go Visa card as a new card. This is the most important step for the 2026 workflow. Since Shopee doesn't have a direct login for TNG, we will use your Touch N Go Visa card details to bridge the gap. Scroll down to Payment option and click on Add New Card. Enter the 16-digit card number, expiration date, and CVV from your physical or virtual Touch N Go Visa card. You might wonder why we are adding a new card instead of using a direct link. In 2026, using the Touch N Go Visa card is the most reliable method because it treats your e-wallet balance like a debit card. This bypasses the need for external bank logins and allows you to use your TNG balance directly on Shopee while still earning Go Plus rewards and Shopee coins simultaneously. And that's pretty much it. To use Touch N Go for Shopee in 2026, simply find your product and add it to your cart. At the checkout page, you'll choose to add a new card using your Touch N Go Visa card details. This is the easiest way to spend your e-wallet balance directly while keeping your transaction secure and qualifying for all the best Shopee discounts. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.